Hi, friends. We're back home after school.
And we have so much to do.
Homework, snacks, games.
And my favorite, shower time.
Let's learn English together today.
Are you ready? Let's go.
We'll learn with fun. Home sweet home.
Finally, my feet are tired.
You always run at school like a rocket.
That's my superpower.
Let's put our bags away first.
Done. I'm ready for snacks.
Snacks again? You think about food more than homework.
Food gives me energy for English.
Okay, English hero, let's surprise Mom with what we learned today.
Welcome home, kids. How was your day?
It was fun. We have a new student, Sarah.
And she runs super fast.
Hey, I run fast too.
I'm happy you made a new friend.
And I scored 2 baskets today.
He missed 5.
My champions are home.
Lucky, you're on the sofa again.
He loves your backpack, Mark.
Don't forget to feed him.
Here, Lucky, your milk.
He's so soft. Can we teach him English?
Only if he stops saying meow. Hands first. No snacks with dirty hands.
Oh, no, again.
You're so silly.
Apples, cookies, and milk. Choose what you like.
Crunchy apple.
Cookies are my favorite food.
And what did you learn today?
We learned new words in English, like pencil case.
Can you teach me one?
Pencil case.
And in math, 2 plus 2 is 4.
Of course you knew that.
Homework first. You'll feel free after.
Homework is not my friend.
Come on, I'll help you.
Page 7 or 9?
It's page 7. Easy.
I can do it.
It's good teamwork, you two.
Done. Can we play now?
10 more minutes for Lark.
I'm super fast today.
Let's make homework fun with music.
1, 2, 3, 4 numbers we adore.
5, 6, 7, 8. Homework is great.
You're my singing students.
Can we make a song every day?
If it helps you learn, yes.
Let's play hide and seek.
I'll find you. I'm the best seeker.
She'll never find me behind the sofa.
I can hear you, Mr. Mark.
Oh no, she has super ears.
You.
You scared me.
You two are too noisy to hide.
This piece goes here.
No, that's the sky, not the tree.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Done. It's a rainbow house.
With a cat on the roof.
Just like our Lucky. Dinner is ready.
Pasta smells so good.
And garlic bread, my favorite.
Tell me something funny from school.
Mark almost fell in basketball.
The ball made me fall, not me.
Sure.
You cook the best pasta, Mom.
I'm happy when you're happy. Shower time before bed?
I am a superstar, la la la.
You're so funny.
I'm clean and fresh.
Strawberry shampoo is the best.
Now pajamas.
I'm Super Mark.
And I'm a sleepy star.
Perfect. Time for bed.
Mom, can dreams teach English too?
Maybe they can if you dream in English.
I'll dream of flying words. Hello, apple, rainbow.
That's the best way to learn, with love and dreams.
Before bed, let's remember today.
Repeat with us. Ready?
Welcome hang.
Wash your hands.
Do your homework.
Play hide and seek.
Dinner time.
Shower in pajamas.
Perfect. You're learning fast.
You did great.
Let's move and say the words.
Follow us. Ready?
Jump.
Jump.
Run.
Run.
Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands.
Turn around.
Turn.
You two are my little English athletes.
Move, say, and play every day.
Let's talk about feelings. Repeat with us. Ready?
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
Yawn. So sleepy.
Angry. Grrr.
Don't scare me.
I'm relaxed.
And I'm peaceful.
Now all together. Say it. I'm happy today.
I'm happy today.
What's in your school bag today? Read with us.
Pencil case.
Notebook.
Ruler.
Eraser.
Don't forget your book.
Pencil case. Notebook. Ruler. Eraser. Book.
Pencil case, notebook, ruler, eraser, book.
Awesome. You're ready for school.
English heroes. Ready to learn. Sleep well, my little stars.
It was a wonderful day.
I love school now.
Sweet dreams, my angels.
Good night, Mom.
Love you.
Tomorrow is another English day.
Did you enjoy learning English with us?
Thumbs up. Subscribe and click the bell. Practice every day.
See you on our next adventure.
Bye, friends.